Wondering what that AUTODATA icon on your XTOOL device is for? It's your gateway to a professional OE database. With just €1, you can have the wiring diagrams and torque specs, etc. of 142 brands on your scanner. Stay tuned, and I will show you a 20% off discount code at the end. No need to switch to a laptop. Just tap the AUTODATA icon in the bottom right corner of your XTOOL home screen. It takes you straight to the portal, keeping all your diagnostic tools in one hand. Now let's log in. Let's enter the technical information and check how many make, model, and year are supported. Alfa Romeo, BMW, Dacia, Ford, Hyundai, Jaguar, so many brands are covered. No need to worry about it. We can enter a model from here, or we can enter from the recent activity, like this. As we can see, there are so many different blocks of the services and functions, like the powertrain, chassis, body interior, electrical, and general. Let's have a look at the wiring diagrams. There are so many different types of engine. Okay. Let's take the ABS wiring diagram as an example. As we can see, it's pretty huge. And by tapping each area, you can have a look of what is this part for. Like this one is for fuse box, relay plate, foot well. And this is for instrument panel. This is for ABS control module. You can zoom in and zoom out freely. The vivid, colorful display will also help you a lot. Okay. Then we also have a look at the diagnostic trouble codes. We can directly enter the code failure type or description here, and it will tell us the related technical information. Let's take P0303 DTC as an example. As we can see, it has already told us that it's the cylinder 3 misfire detected. Fault location, probable causes, and related injector and ECT-MAF sensor informations are all provided. It also has a super clear view of the injector component, so you will never need to worry about the wrong component you purchase from the shops. And then there are detailed trouble codes description related to the injector, from P000E to the P0316. Also, we can check the wiring diagram from here. It's loading, so it didn't display a complete diagram. Wow, that's really a big diagram. For those registered subscribers, you can also get a discount from XTOOL's link here. As we can see, choose AUTODATA today with a 20% discount. Use the code to access your 20% off. If you are a new user, you can start the trial for just €1 for the first month. That's the secret shortcut on your XTOOL. Having a pro database on your XTOOL scanner means faster repairs and more confident quotes. Register on the web first, then log in on your XTOOL scanner. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more XTOOL Pro tips. See you!